how to clean an iPhone or iPad screen. Please excuse the reflection of the light above. You just get a computer screen rag and just any old eye lens cleaner that you would use for glasses. You just spray on the screen and wipe, and just make sure it's not a harsh get rid of that harsh rag, because otherwise you might scratch the screen. But look, if it's good enough for glasses, it's good enough for the iPad or iPhone. I haven't scratched mine in all the years. I had the original iPad 1 and this is the iPad 3, and it comes up a treat. As you can see, no more fingerprints. The job is done.